Bryce with D-Boys, and today we're going to read Hot Rod Hamster, Monster Truck Mania by Cynthia Lord, and pictures by Derek Anderson. Fearless Freckles, Monster Truck Mania, good food, fun today at the fair, rides. Hot Rod Hamster's Monster Truck Mania. Truck day, treat day, cotton candy sweet day, fun day, fair day, music in the air day. The Monster Truck show starts at 3 o'clock. We have some time to wait. What should we do? Rides! Let's find the best ride. The best ride will be fun. How about this one? Sailboat, rowboat, pirate's long go boat, subboat, tugboat, chugga boat. Which would you choose? Arr! The boat ride was fun, but the best ride will be fast. Plain cup, bright cup, checkered black and white cup, new cup, old cup, rimmed and shiny gold cup. Which would you choose? Whee! The teacups were fun and fast, but the best ride will let us drive. Sports car, race car, fun and outer space car, cop car, mail car, make the siren whale car. Which would you choose? Hot Rod Hamsters, smashing, crashing through! The bumper cars were fun and fast and let us drive. But the best ride will go up in the air. I don't see any rides that do all those things. And now it's time for the monster truck show. I'll catch up. I want some cotton candy. Okay, I'll save our seats. Red swirl, peach swirl, mix a bit of each swirl. Blue swirl, green swirl, tasty tangerine swirl. Which would you choose? Oh no, I broke my glasses. I can't drive without them. But Fearless Franco, who will drive the monster truck? Drive? I'll do it. Huge truck, high truck, mud is gonna fly truck. Strong truck, steel truck, make those tires squeal truck. You'll need some help with the pedals. When I say grab a football, you hit the gas. Welcome to Monster Truck Mania. Here comes Fearless Franco. Grab a football. Look at Fearless Franco doing donuts. He's spinning like a cyclone. This is so much fun. I can't believe Hamster's missing this. And there's a sky wheelie. Wait a minute. Fearless Franco looks familiar. Could it be? What a surprise! It's not Fearless Franco. It's Hot Rod Hamster. That was the best ride of all. You saved the show. As a thank you, here's some special tickets you can use for anything at the fair. Hot treats, cold treats, wrapped in pretty gold treats. Slurp treats, lick treats, eat it on a stick treats. Which would you choose? Thank you. The end. Bye. And don't forget to like and subscribe.